Good morning. So it's a bright sunny day, and if you have watched my previous videos, you must know that I have been selected as PO in Central Bank of India, and today is the document verification of the same. So my time slot is at 2:30 p.m. and right now I think it's 9:30 in the morning. I'll have my breakfast and I'll go for it, and I'll show you as much as I can actually, and update you as well throughout the day.
One from Guwahati to Agartala. Kindly note the same.
Good morning. So it's a bright sunny day, and if you have watched my previous videos, you must know that I have been selected as PO in Central Bank of India, and today is the document verification of the same. So I've been preparing my documents for the past half an hour, and it's almost complete. So I thought, why not make a video of that? Because until today, I was in tension, like what to do, what not to do, what to carry, what not to carry. There were clear instructions, but still एक होता है ना घबराहट, वो होता था. So this year actually is the end of June. The document verification is taking place. I didn't expect it to be this much late this year, but due to the election, it got late. जो भी हो, so you need to bring employee antecedent form and recruitment application form actually. So you need to bring both of these and character certificates, and they were not very specific about character certificates. You need to bring 3 character certificates. One is from a gazetted officer, one is from a branch manager of a nationalized bank, and the third one is from the college or university which you have attended. I was worried about my character certificate which I received from my college. I heard that they will keep the originals, so I was very worried that they will keep the originals, then where will I get the original one for my future references if I need, in any case you may need na. So they told that you don't need to worry about that. If you need that, we will provide that to you at that time, so it's not an issue. You just give us the original. So I called the HR and they told me regarding the documents that I mentioned, that is employee antecedent form and recruitment application form. You don't need to worry about that also, because they will provide you everything. Actually, when the notification came out, they provided as a zip folder which contained all the necessary documents. You don't need to collect from here and there or from previous year, because they will provide you everything. Calm down and wait for that. And regarding the documents that you need to carry, this will be actually everything, the very basic things that you have collected throughout your life. That is your DOB certificate, which can also be your 10th class mark sheet, that is also applicable. Your degree certificate, your class 12th mark sheet, your college or university which you have attended, the mark sheets of these as well, and caste certificate if it's applicable to you. And there was a specific information about caste certificate that few I don't know about it though. I read it, that's why I'm saying it, that in few of the cases the caste certificates needs to be updated from time to time basis. Not all of them, but in few of the cases, for them you need to present the updated one, not the previous one or the old one. So my time slot is at 2:30 p.m. and right now I think it's 9:30 in the morning. I'll have my breakfast and I'll go for it, and I'll show you as much as I can actually, and update you as well throughout the day. So I'm just walking today. It's approximately 500 meters or so. I'll reach there within within 5 minutes or so, I guess. Actually, I'm staying very close to where the zonal office is, approximately 5 to 600 meters, to be honest. So it's a little bit of a cloudy weather right now. So चलने में भी थोड़ा आसानी हो गया, एटलीस्ट सनराइज तो नहीं है. So I'm actually here, the zonal office or regional office. अभी ना मैं बाहर निकला था फ़ोटोकॉपी करवाने, और बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है, बहुत. अभी मेरे आगे जो बैच था वो भी अभी बैठा हुआ है. अभी 3 बज रहा है और अभी भी वो लोग बैठा हुआ है. फिर से चलते हैं अंदर. We were supposed to leave at 5 and we are leaving at 7. Huh? So I just came back home right now, and regarding the verification process, it was pretty smooth. You don't need to worry about anything. और अगर किसी का प्रॉब्लम हुआ भी है तो उनको अंडरटेकिंग लेके छोड़ दिया गया है, considering the fact that they can furnish the documents later on when asked. और हम जब वहाँ पहुँचे तो हमें एक चेकलिस्ट दिया गया, और we had to arrange the documents according to the checklist, and then they verified it, put a stamp, signed on it. They again gave back the documents to us, and we had to scan it and upload it to bank's server. Actually not server, we had to upload it to email account they provided, and then an employee profile was created in the eHRMS server of Central Bank. So that was it. हालांकि हमें टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया था, but that's okay. Rest everything was very fine, very smooth. Just chill. Everything will be fine.